To add non-Steam games to your Steam Deck's game mode, you need to create manual shortcuts using desktop files. These files tell Steam where to find your games and how to launch them. Desktop files are special configuration files that act as shortcuts. When you create these files properly, Steam can automatically detect and add your non-Steam games to its library. First, you need to navigate to the Applications directory. This is located at local/share/applications/ in your home folder. This is where Linux stores user application shortcuts that programs like Steam can automatically discover. Here's what a desktop file looks like. You create a new text file with a .desktop extension. The file contains specific parameters that tell Steam how to launch your game. Let's break down each required parameter. The name field sets how the game appears in Steam. The exec field points to the game's executable file. The icon field specifies the game's icon image. The type field must be set to application, and categories should be game with a semicolon. These final parameters help Steam properly classify and display your game. To create your desktop file, navigate to the Applications directory, create a new text file with a .desktop extension, add all the required parameters we just covered, and save the file. Steam will then be able to detect and add your game automatically. Once saved, this desktop file serves as the bridge between your non-Steam game and Steam's library system, allowing seamless integration with game mode. After creating your desktop file, Steam needs to recognize it as a game. Steam automatically scans standard locations for desktop files, but you can also manually add games through the Steam interface. When manually adding games, Steam will display them in your library with a note indicating they are non-Steam games. This allows you to launch them directly from game mode while maintaining the Steam Deck interface. For Windows-based games, you need to enable Steam Play and configure Proton compatibility. Navigate to Steam Settings and enable Steam Play for all other titles. Choose a Proton version that works best with your game. Community versions like GE Proton often provide enhanced compatibility and performance improvements over standard Proton versions. These community builds include additional patches and codecs for better game support. Ensure your game files have proper executable permissions and are located in directories that Steam can recognize. The file system structure is crucial for Steam to properly launch your games. Symbolic links can help manage complex installation paths by creating shortcuts to game directories. This is particularly useful when games are installed in non-standard locations, or when you need to organize your game library efficiently. By following these integration steps, enabling Steam recognition, configuring Proton compatibility, setting proper permissions, and managing file paths, you can successfully add and play non-Steam games in your Steam Deck's game mode.